See friends, I have added a rat mesh for the refrigeration. This is a LG refrigerator. I bought this mesh from the hardware shop, and see I have tied cable ties like this, and I have used the existing screws which were there for the assembly. Here cable tie, and here two more screws which help to secure the net, and here I have some wire. Also I use some 3M tape also at the end, so that the rat does not have any option to enter. So this is how you can secure your fridge from the rat. Hopefully this works out better. Let's see. Thank you.